Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the FIFINE AmpliGame AM8 USB XLR dynamic microphone, a mic designed for podcasters, streamers, gamers, and even singers who want that professional sound without spending a fortune. With its dual connection options, RGB lighting, and features built right in, this microphone is aiming to be the perfect mix of style, performance, and flexibility. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek and modern design. It comes with a sturdy desktop stand and has a professional-grade look. The mic also has RGB lighting accents, which you can customize to match your gaming setup or recording space. And since it's a dynamic microphone, it's built to handle different environments by focusing on your voice and cutting out unnecessary background noise. One of the standout features is its dual connection options. You get both USB and XLR outputs. Use the USB connection for simple plug and play on your PC, laptop, or console. Or go with XLR if you have an audio interface or mixer for more control. This flexibility means it grows with you, perfect for beginners and advanced creators alike. The AM8 delivers clear, broadcast quality sound, making your voice crisp and powerful whether you're podcasting, streaming, or recording vocals. It also includes a built-in mute button, super handy for live streaming when you need to quickly cut your audio. Plus, it has a headphone jack for zero latency monitoring, so you can hear yourself in real time without delay. In real-world use, this mic shines. Whether you're in a quiet room or a slightly noisy environment, the dynamic capsule reduces background distractions and keeps the focus on your voice. Gamers will appreciate the RGB look plus simple controls, while podcasters and singers will love the natural, full-bodied tone it produces. The FIFINE AmpliGame AM8 is perfect for podcasters wanting professional audio, streamers and gamers who want plug-and-play ease with style, content creators who need versatility between USB and XLR, even singers and vocalists looking for a budget-friendly mic with solid sound. So, to wrap things up, the FIFINE AmpliGame AM8 is a feature-packed, stylish, and high-quality mic that's surprisingly affordable. With dual USB, XLR connectivity, RGB lighting, mute button, and headphone jack, it checks all the boxes for creators. If you're looking for a microphone that delivers pro sound and versatility without breaking the bank, this is one to seriously consider. Check out the link in the description if you want to grab one for yourself, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.